So for today's video, we will be talking about Pythagorean identities. We will be using Pythagorean identities in order to simplify trig expressions. These here are a few Pythagorean identities. So first off, we have sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. And in order to get these two identities, you would have to either subtract sine squared x to the other side or subtract cosine squared x to the other side. So then once you have done that, you would get sine squared x equals to 1 minus cosine squared x, or cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. So for our first example, we have sine squared x plus 1 minus cosine squared x. So you can see here that you can simplify this part of the expression right away. If you remember the identities I have previously stated, you can see that you can simplify 1 minus cosine squared x to sine squared x. So once you have simplified it, you would get sine squared x plus sine squared x. From this point, you can add the two together and get 2 sine squared x. And that would be how to simplify sine squared x plus 1 minus cosine squared x to 2 sine squared x. So for our second example, we have cosine squared x all over 1 minus cosine squared x. So right here, you can simplify 1 minus cosine squared x because it is a Pythagorean identity, which means that 1 minus cosine squared x is equal to sine squared x. So once you have simplified that part, you would get cosine squared x all over sine squared x. And here you can notice that cosine squared x all over sine squared x is the same as cotangent squared x. And that would be how to simplify cosine squared x all over 1 minus cosine squared x into cotangent squared x.